This video is sponsored by Temu. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Okay, today's video we have another highly requested video, and that is 50 home decor / room decor crochet ideas. Okay, most of these are beginner friendly, and as always, everything I say will be listed in the order that I said it in the description box below, linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you. Before we get into the video, I just want to say, look at this cardigan that I thrifted. Okay, it's a knit cardigan with embroidery on the top, and I just want to say it is literally the cutest thing that I've ever gotten. I am slowly adding cute, cozy fiber art, so whether it's like knit, crochet, embroidered, or whatever, I'm trying to add more pieces into my closet. So I just want to shout out, I love this. Okay, now let's go ahead and go over the categories that we have for this video. So for this video, we have 4 categories. We have pillows / cushions, blankets, functional / like storage stuff, and everything else that doesn't fit into those 3 categories. So let's go ahead and jump right into the first category, which is pillows / cushions. So for pillows / cushions, we have this really cute, like flowery looking pillow, which I thought was really cute. It's giving grandma core, but it's also kind of giving like whimsical fairy core. You can also make this star pillow with blanket yarn, and it'll make it like fluffy and very, very soft. You can also make this lemon pillow, which can also double as like a seat cushion if you want to sit on it. You can make this giant strawberry cushion, which I actually saw this all over TikTok at one point, and I'm pretty sure they are coming back, so that is also a really cute option for decor. Or you can even make this French macaroon like cushion, which I thought was just, I'm trying to find like unique decor, you know, decor that not everybody's gonna have in their house or apartment or room. So you've got this one. You can also make this really cute daisy flower pillow / cushion, or even use your scrap yarn and make this really intricate detailed pillow. But this is perfect for scrap yarn. Like, as you can see, there's a bunch of little bundles of scrap yarn for this one. Speaking of home decor, this video is sponsored by Temu. Temu is the #1 free app on the App Store right now, and supported by many celebrities and mega influencers like Jason Derulo, Juju Smith, James Charles, Do It on a Dime, Laura Lee, and more consumers are getting to know and trust Temu through Temu's influencers' unique voices. Over thousands of items, all for $1, only on the Temu app. Find the best choice and save at Temu in one stop. Find team influencers' top pick list, like my top pick list, and the best sales list on the Temu app, while getting tons of Temu coupons, deep discounts during the anniversary month. If you're anything like me, you love buying affordable home decor, room decor, or crochet supplies, then Temu is definitely the app for you. I ordered a bunch of stuff on the Temu app from the home decor section, like these pillows, this really cute tulip lamp that lights up, a cute crate that actually folds down for better storage, these pink flowers I hung up in my room, a ceramic incense burner, an alarm clock, and so much more. I also bought crochet supplies to test out the quality for you guys, and let me tell you, the quality is amazing. This crochet hook set is perfect to start out with if you're a beginner crocheter. I even bought a travel bag to make it easier to crochet while I'm on a plane or on a road trip, because you guys know me, I am always on the move, and I'm so excited to use it. I bought other supplies like safety eyes, a stitch counter, tension rings, stitch markers, and these really cute handmade tags that I will definitely be adding to all of my Christmas gifts this year. Speaking of Christmas, I actually got a few items for Christmas gifts this year for friends and family off of Temu to get ahead, so I'm not buying gifts last minute like I always do. And a lot of the items I got were listed for as little as $1. And I know some of you guys are super into crochet kits, so if you're looking for affordable crochet kits, they also have those. I got 2. I got this really cute fox one and this frog boy one, and I'm definitely looking forward to showing you guys guys what these end up creating. If you want to buy anything that I got, Temu has created a link to all of the products that I love. You just have to click the link in the description box below and use my $100 coupon bundle code for huge savings when you shop on the Temu app. So click the link in my description box, download the app, and use my $100 coupon bundle code for major savings on all the items that you want. I got a succulent type pillow from Temu, but I also found a succulent type pillow crochet pattern right here if that's something that you want to make, or you can even make this very unique record pillow slash cushion with this pattern, or you can also make a cushion with your scrap yarn if you're trying to get rid of a lot of your scrap yarn. I'm actually going to do one of these, and I'm going to fill it with some old clothes that aren't really like able to donate because they're kind of like too used, and I'm going to fill it with that to kind of repurpose them into a cushion. You can also make this flower pillow or even this heart pillow, which is super cute and super trending right now, or this sun pillow, or if you're into moon and star, here's a little moon and star moment, or if you want a different kind of moon pillow, here's a moon pillow pattern for you. And then something I really started noticing in the crochet decor world community is these like puffy flowers, and people are making pillows out of them. They're like this one, or you can make like blankets out of them, or you can frame stuff with them, but I really thought this pillow was super cute. It makes it look like more fluffy. That's all for pillows and cushions, so let's go ahead and jump into the next category, which is blankets. Now for blankets, I only have a few for you, but I wanted to give you the general idea of like a granny stitch square blanket, because you can really mix it up with whatever kind of vibe you want your room to be, whatever color aesthetic you want your room to be. They're really versatile, so definitely make one of these for your room. If you're a cat person like me, I got you this cat's Afghan blanket, and I also have this African flower blanket, which is another really good stash yarn buster or extra yarn buster. What's the word I'm looking for? Yeah, yarn buster, I guess. It's to get rid of a lot of like yarns that you have that you don't have a lot of. Definitely make this African flower blanket. That's all I have for you for blankets, so let's move into the next category, which is our functional slash storage decor category. So for this category, we have obviously the hammock that everybody is crocheting for their yarn stash or their stuffed animal stash or anything like that. You can also make these really cute cat coasters and this sunny side up hot plate or oven mitt. Kind of, I guess you can use it as a mitt. You can also make this crochet hanging basket and fill it with folded pajamas or books or stuffed animals or even yarn skeins if you need more storage. If you're constantly losing your remote or you have like 5 remotes like my family does, you can make this stand-up remote caddy to keep it all together, and you can choose any color to kind of match the theme of your living room. You can also make this yarn storage to hang on the back of your door, or you can even make this earring storage hanger to put on a wall. I actually have a similar one right above my head in the corner. If you can see it, it holds all of my earrings. It's just a crocheted square, but if you want to get more intricate, you can do something like this one. And then if you want more coasters that are also decor, you can make this monster leaf like potted plant that also all the leaves are coasters. I thought that was really cute. That one went viral a while ago. You can also make this boho bag saver if you need a cute way to store all your plastic bags, because if you are a plastic bag user, you need to be reusing those plastic bags. So make this really cute plastic bag saver so that you can help better our environment, okay? And that's all I have for you for our functional or storage decor. So let's go ahead and move into our last category, which is the everything else category, which is also our biggest category because yeah, it's everything else, okay? So for this category, we have this citrus slice rug, okay? Super cute for like right in front of your sink or even in a bathroom. You can also make these star garlands for your bedroom, or you can make this lampshade, which there are more than one lampshade in this category because I am a sucker for crocheted lampshades. We need to bring them back, okay? They are so cute. I'm definitely going to be making one. You can also make a tulip plant if you are like me and all of your plants die, so they have to be either crocheted or fake plastic plants. Definitely make one. You can also, like I mentioned earlier with these puffy flowers, you can line them around a mirror like this one, okay? Super cute, adds a little touch to your mirror, adds a little crochet to your room, okay? You can also line a mirror with a checkered type of pattern frame, okay? That's also really cute. Or if you want some hanging plants, you can make a hanging plant holder. You can even make a crochet armrest cover if you have cats like I do and they like to scratch your couch. This is also really cute just for like overall decoration, but if you need a deterrent from your cats messing your couch up, then definitely make these armrest covers. You can even do like a daisy garland or really like any flower or leaf garland to just add some more nature vibe into your room. You can also do these really cool like boho lantern covers. I've made one of these before and I put fake tea lights in them, so like no fire hazard, but they were still really cute and they lit up really well. You can also make, similar to the orange slice, you can make a watermelon rug, okay? You can also make these chair covers or even this like outdoor tube pillow cover if that's something that you want to do. I thought that was really unique, the heart pattern. And then you can make this tissue box cover, this cake tissue box cover, which I actually made one of these and it's a video tutorial and I can vouch that it is beginner friendly and super quick. I made one, it's sitting over there. This is also the picture of mine, okay? It's super cute. I definitely recommend this tutorial. You can also make hanging garden kind of things for your plants, or you can even make these really cute covers for mason jars and put fairy lights in the mason jars, and then you have like a cute little fire safe lantern, okay? Super cute. You can also use granny squares for a lot of things. You can make a kind of ottoman cover or like footstool cover. You can even cover like an ugly mattress like this. I thought this was a really cool way of using granny squares. You can also just make like a generic granny square blanket like this cute little cat is snuggling up with, or you can make a bed frame for your bed like this one, or even like I mentioned earlier, a lampshade. There's this lampshade and this other similar granny style lampshade, and then this really cool one is like curtains, but not curtains, but they're made with like flower appliques, which are really cool. So if that's something you want to do, like to add some crochet but not really cover the light coming from the window, then definitely do that one. And that is all I got for you for your 50 home decor crochet ideas. Like I said in the beginning, everything I said will be listed in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial, as well as all the pictures I showed you are on a cohesive Pinterest board, which is also linked in the description box below, so you can go use those photos if you need them. And if there's a video that you're wanting me to make that I haven't made already, please comment it down below and I will add it to the never-ending list of videos that I am getting through, okay? But other than that, guys, thank you for watching. Like this video if it was helpful to you, and yeah, I love you guys. Bye!